Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Phantom wallet. For that, make sure you get the application. Now you'll be lead to this kind of interface. Firstly, you need to agree on this terms of service. After that, simply tap on I already have a wallet. Now this kind of interface will appear. You can simply skip this option, or you can either enable using your Face ID. For this video, I will go for next. After that, again this kind of interface will appear. You need to tap on the first one, import secret recovery phrase. Now here you need to enter the recovery phrase that you had copied somewhere while making this Phantom wallet account. After you are done, you can simply tap on import secret phrase. Now here simply tap on continue. And now you can see that you are logged into your Phantom wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.